We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with TRKA doing a full transition from the rip area in today's pre-market to the dip area in the middle of the day and in the after hours, guys. Now, TRKA was not the only stock falling. The overall market in the SPY did as well. And our SPY bot, since 9:05 a.m., sent out a bear indicator. From that moment forward, outflows crossed the midpoint to the downside. Pure weakness there on 42 vision into the bell and after the bell. And put options went up 200% plus within an hour, guys. And as you see there popping up on the screen, within the options chain, some options even went higher than that. And we also receive a notification from our newly released flow bot of a bearish flow on the SPY at 10 a.m. as you see it there before J Powell started to speak. And you can now gain access to this as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are with TRKA continuing to break through support levels here, and we need to talk about the inflow versus outflow and bull and bear indicators. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge over the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the Discord, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So the home run of the day was from our Tesla bot. Our Tesla bot at 10:35 a.m. sent out a bull indicator. And from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside. Full strength there on 42 vision from the dip to the rip. And call options went up 100% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge over the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the Discord, getting connected over to our bots. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with TRKA doing a full transition here from the rip area of bright green bars to the dip area 2 times today here in the middle of the day in the after hours of white with red borders. And if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with TRKA under a bear indicator today at the open, right? Just a few minutes after the open here at 10 a.m. at around 89 cents. And from that moment forward, things dropped all the way down to 43. It fought and bounced back up to the 60s. And now in the after hours, it is below the support here, eating up all the gains of nearly almost several weeks, right? Up to this point of almost reaching $1 and now coming right back down to a key area where it all started. Now, is it guaranteed to find support here? No, right? The 52-week low is 9 cents, and this is a penny stock that has been below $1. There's been a lot of speculation behind it, but what made it drop? Well, the first thing is the overall market was dropping, right? And you can see these outflows, they crossed over here as well. It's the first time that they actually hit lows down here of minus 0.42. We have not seen that in several months, guys, since way back here in June of last year. So super important to keep that in mind. These are some of the largest outflows that TRKA has experienced in months. Now, on top of that, the overall market was pulling back. You could see it here on the SPY again, but that wasn't the only thing. TRKA actually went ahead and reports their revenue, guys. Their earnings was released. Now, as you can see there, that was released today at around 9 a.m., these headings. So when you read through it, it talks about their strong growth and how they've grown, right? Revenue increases by nearly 1,000% over prior year and so forth. But it still created that uncertainty and doubt of what is the further guidance and what's going to happen with this stock the longer it stays below $1. And right when it was getting there for NASDAQ compliance and to stay above that midpoint of $1 and push up above it, it's that one main point when the NASDAQ wants penny stocks to stay above, to not get delisted, it rejected, guys. The overall market pulled back, and then also this news. I personally believe, this is my opinion, not financial advice. Once this news was out of the earnings and what the CEO had to state, it basically kind of turned into one of those scenarios of, the rumors before the news type of thing. Not guaranteed, right? But I'm just sharing my opinions. Again, not financial advice, but that's what it's looking like. I mean, the data was released, the news was released, the earnings was released, and then the overall market was pulling back. So there was a lot of things going into this, and the outflows crossed pretty early on at the beginning of the day, and it got a bear indicator here on the 30-minute, and you could see the 15-minute right there at open up here at around 89 cents. And on the 5-minute, it got a bear indicator up here at around 92 cents. So it had multiple bear indicators at the beginning of the day, and things got pretty volatile in the first half. Now, a lot of people want to ask, is the run over? Well, I'm going to share with you guys the key levels I would watch, but right now, this has been a pretty big pullback, and it's coming right back down to where it all started several weeks ago when it was consolidating before pushing up even higher. And after going up nearly 3 to 4x, it came right back down to the 20-cent area. So I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below, how you feel about this pullback, and do you see this bottoming out somewhere around here, or the weakness will continue? I look forward to seeing your thoughts. So the first thing I would look for is the 30-minute for these inflows to try to pick up, guys. And we want to see it cross the midpoint, cancel out this bear indicator, and not only that, but also here on the 15-minute, start reflecting that strength into the chart and reach the key resistance levels that I'm about to break down with you guys and hold support, right? So the support levels to the downside, the first support is 25 cents. Then below that is 20-cent area. And below 20 cents, I'm watching the 18 to 15-cent area if these outflows continue to pull downwards. Now, if we can get these inflows to pick up, once again, here on the 30-minute, over the midpoint, and get that strength here on the 15-minute as well to reflect that strength into the chart and cancel these bear indicators, well, the first resistance is 40 cents. Then above that is the 50-cent area. And if 50 cents gets broken through, then I would watch the 61 to 65 cent area where it actually rejected here as it went lower and where it bounced off of and rejected up here at around 61 to 62 cents. Those are the key levels I'm watching to the upside and to the downside. Now, if this starts to pull up, it could possibly be a dead cat bounce. Not guaranteed, of course, but something to not ignore after pulling back so much today. But those inflows need to pick up on the 30-minute, on the 15-minute. And if you zoom out to the 1 hour, these outflows are dominating here at minus 0.43, guys. As always, I'm going to be watching these bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow. And let's make some money.